if you're looking for the perfect vehicle for you or your family, then you want to check out this 2017 Kia Forte. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. Love the appearance of the grille in the front. Kind of have that cool 3D effect going on in there with your Kia badge. And then you have your projector beam headlamps. This has a 2-liter inline-4 engine, and then looking down at your wheels, those are 15-inch wheels. And then coming over to your side mirrors, they are power adjustable. So looking at these front seats, we have these dark gray cloth seats with this lighter gray insert that's texturized, really comfortable. Coming over to your steering wheel, you have your media controls and your Bluetooth streaming controls right there. Then looking over at your media center, you have your CD insert up top, all of your radio options with your presets and everything. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You also can hook up your phone, listen to your own music, or make phone calls there. You have your other buttons down there for your radio, and then you have your climate controls below that. Then you have a media hub with a 12-volt USB port and an aux port, automatic stick, 2 cup holders, and then looking into your center console, you have plenty of space for all your stuff. Now let's look around back. So in this back seat, it is super spacious. You do have room for 3 passengers. Then making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps, your Kia badging, and you have a power trunk, which is just enormous. You have lots of space, and yeah, overall this is just a really spacious vehicle. Could be a great first car or college car, and if you want to see this Kia or any of our other sedans, visit our website WowWoodys.com or come see our 15-acre megalot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.